By the end of this video, we are going to make this problem as much easier as possible. Trust me, these word problems are tricky, but once we get used to these patterns and see in a different perspective, it gets easier. So let's look at this. Boyle's law states that when a sample of gas is compressed at a constant temperature, the pressure of gas is inversely proportional to the volume of the gas. So clearly stating is that pressure is inversely proportional to the volume of gas. Or there's another way of writing this as um, for a fixed amount of gas at a constant temperature, pressure times volume is equal to constant value. So in the next problem, we are asked, suppose that the pressure of a sample of air that occupies 0.106 meter cube at 25 degrees Celsius is 50 kilopascal. Write V as a function of P. So taken from here, we know that pressure times volume is equal to some constant value. So volume is equal to what? It's K over constant value divided by P, pressure. So this is V as a function of P. Now further we can find the constant value here, K, as we have been given pressure is 50 kilopascals, right? So 50 times volume is 0.106 meter cube, which is simply equal to 5.3, or you can write this as V is equal to 5.3 over P. Since we have been given these values, so it's best to write this in this form. So not over, this actually leads us to this, that constant value. Okay, looking at this next problem, calculate the derivative when P is 50, pressure is this 50 kilopascals. What is the meaning of derivative? And what are its units? Okay, calculate derivative is simply going to be 5.3 divided by P, right? And as we have seen previously, another way of writing this is we can simplify this as derivative of 5.3 times p to the negative 1, right? And here we can see the patterns, right? Constant multiple rule. So this is going to be 5.3 derivative of p to the negative 1, which is equal to 5.3 times negative 1 times p to the negative 2. 1 minus minus 1 equal to negative 5.3 p to the negative 2. And you can, we are going to use calculator to, or you can simplify this as this 5.3 over, right? P to the square. P is what? 50 kilopascals. Oh, let me simplify the expression first before I write down anything. This is equal to around negative 0.00212. So what is the meaning of derivative? This is the instantaneous rate of change of the volume with respect to pressure, right? So at 25 degrees Celsius, and the units are going to be meter cube per kilopascals. I really hope this helps. Thank you for watching.